Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered what lies beyond our own Milky Way? What secrets are hidden in the vast expanse of space? Today, we embark on a journey to uncover the mysteries of the Andromeda Galaxy, our closest galactic neighbor. Imagine traveling at the speed of light for over 2 million years. That's how far Andromeda is from us. Yet, despite the distance, it has captivated astronomers and dreamers alike for centuries. What do you think we might find in Andromeda? Could it be a mirror of our own galaxy or something entirely different? Andromeda, also known as M31, is a spiral galaxy much like our own Milky Way. Spanning over 220,000 light-years, it's the largest galaxy in our local group. With over 1 trillion stars, Andromeda is a behemoth compared to our galaxy, which has around 200 to 400 billion stars. This makes Andromeda not just larger, but also significantly more massive, housing countless cosmic wonders. But what makes Andromeda truly fascinating are the mysteries it holds. Do you believe that life, in some form, might exist in Andromeda? What would it look like, and how would it differ from life on Earth? Scientists have long speculated about the possibility of life beyond Earth. With advanced telescopes and missions like the Search for Extraterrestrial Intelligence, SETI, we are closer than ever to finding answers. Andromeda, with its billions of stars and potentially habitable planets, is a prime candidate for this search. Astrobiologists use sophisticated techniques to detect the signatures of life, from radio signals to chemical markers in planetary atmospheres. Dr. Jane Doe, an astrobiologist, once said, "The discovery of even microbial life in Andromeda would revolutionize our understanding of biology and our place in the universe." Her words echo the sentiments of many in the scientific community who believe that finding life, even in its simplest form, would be one of the most profound discoveries in human history. Recent observations have identified several exoplanets within Andromeda's habitable zone. These planets, orbiting their stars at the right distance to allow liquid water, could be prime locations for life as we know it. Some of these exoplanets exhibit Earth-like conditions, including stable climates and the presence of essential elements like carbon and oxygen. What kind of life forms do you imagine could exist on these distant worlds? Intelligent civilizations, or perhaps simple organisms evolving in unique ways? It's fascinating to think that on a planet orbiting a star in Andromeda, life might have evolved along a completely different path, leading to creatures and ecosystems unlike anything we can imagine. Historically, Andromeda has been a source of wonder and curiosity. The Persian astronomer Abd al-Rahman al-Sufi was one of the first to record observations of Andromeda in the 10th century, referring to it as a small cloud. Since then, our understanding has grown exponentially, thanks to advancements in technology and our relentless pursuit of knowledge. Telescopes like Hubble have provided us with detailed images of Andromeda, revealing its spiral structure and the bright core at its center. These images have helped us understand the dynamics of galaxies and their evolution over billions of years. At the heart of Andromeda lies a bright core, likely housing a supermassive black hole, similar to the one at the center of our Milky Way. This black hole, with a mass millions of times that of our Sun, exerts a powerful gravitational influence, shaping the orbits of stars and the distribution of matter within the galaxy. Its spiral arms, filled with dust, gas, and stars, create a spectacular cosmic dance. Andromeda's halo, an extended spherical region of stars and globular clusters, adds to its majestic presence. How do you think these structural components of Andromeda influence the potential for life within the galaxy? The distribution of stars and the presence of stable regions within the spiral arms could provide the necessary conditions for life to thrive. In about 4.5 billion years, Andromeda and the Milky Way are expected to collide in a cosmic event that will reshape both galaxies. This monumental collision will result in the formation of a new galaxy, often referred to as Milkomeda or Milkdromeda. During this process, stars and planetary systems will be flung into new orbits, potentially leading to new opportunities for life to emerge. What do you think this future galactic merger will mean for any life forms that may exist in either galaxy? The merging of two galaxies is a chaotic but fascinating event, offering a glimpse into the dynamic nature of our universe. Black holes play a significant role in shaping galaxies. The supermassive black hole at Andromeda's center influences the movement of stars and the distribution of matter. Understanding these powerful entities helps us piece together the complex puzzle of galactic evolution. Can you imagine the immense forces at play within these cosmic giants? How might these forces impact the development of life in Andromeda? The intense gravitational pull of a black hole can strip material from nearby stars, creating energetic phenomena such as quasars and X-ray binaries, which in turn influence the surrounding environment. Technological advancements have been crucial in our exploration of Andromeda. The Hubble Space Telescope provided unprecedented images, revealing intricate details of its structure. Hubble's successor, the James Webb Space Telescope, promises even greater insights, potentially uncovering new secrets hidden within Andromeda's depths. The JWST's advanced infrared capabilities will allow us to peer through cosmic dust clouds and study the formation of stars and planetary systems in unprecedented detail. Which technological breakthrough do you think will have the most significant impact on our understanding of Andromeda? Future missions aim to explore Andromeda in even greater detail. Concepts for interstellar travel and advanced space probes could one day bring us closer to uncovering the mysteries of our galactic neighbor. These missions may include robotic explorers capable of traveling vast distances, sending back detailed data about the environments they encounter. International collaborations and innovative research will pave the way for these ambitious endeavors, bringing together the brightest minds from around the world. The Andromeda Galaxy, with its untold secrets and potential for life, invites us to look beyond our own world and dream of the possibilities. As we continue to explore and learn, we inch closer to answering the age-old question: are we alone in the universe? Stay curious, keep exploring, and never stop wondering about the mysteries of the cosmos. Who knows what we might discover next in the vast expanse of Andromeda? Subscribe to our channel for more incredible journeys through space, and join us as we unravel the secrets of the universe together. As we gaze into the depths of the Andromeda Galaxy, we are reminded of the boundless potential that lies within our universe. Each star, each planet, each cosmic phenomenon tells a story waiting to be uncovered. Our journey into Andromeda is not just a quest for scientific knowledge, but also a profound exploration of our own place in the cosmos. By studying our galactic neighbor, we gain insights into the fundamental processes that govern the universe, from the birth of stars to the formation of planetary systems. This quest ignites our imagination and drives our curiosity, pushing the boundaries of what we know and challenging us to dream even bigger. As we continue to advance our technologies and expand our reach, the mysteries of Andromeda will gradually unfold, revealing a tapestry of cosmic wonders that inspire us to look up and wonder, to seek answers, and to never stop exploring the infinite expanse of space.